Let's continue the last chapter, accounting equation. Today we more focus on question. Practice times. Question number 1. Using the accounting equation, calculate the liability. Now, we have to understand the question and based on the formula there. Assets equal liability plus equity. Now the question asking for liabilities. That's why we have to change a bit to be liabilities equal assets minus equity. So we have to identify each of the particular under which category. Number 1, motor vehicle under assets. Number 2, capital under equity. The rest are equipment under assets, machinery under assets, trade receivables under assets, cash in bank under assets, premises under assets, fixture and fittings under assets also. So we just fill in the blank based on this formula. You see the next. Right, whatever the first here, all under the assets minus equity, which is a 45,000 there. Then after we solve it slowly and step by step, finally we get the answer is a 39,600. Alright. Next, complete the following table. Now this question is another type of layout, but the concepts are the same. This question only want to test you how much you understand about the assets, liabilities, and owner equity. Alright, we solve it one by one. You will know more detail about that. Question number 1. You pay trade payable 800 by check. So from here we know that trade payable under the liability. By check, you make the payment by check. Check is a money under the assets column. That's why we will see from here. Cash and bank minus 800. That's why you will decrease your assets. Another one, liability. Trade payable also minus 800. Why? Because you make the payment to your trade payable. That's why will be decreased also. So any effect to your owner equity there? Nothing effect. Right? We come to the second one. Owner withdrew furniture worth 1,650 for all use. So you can see the question there. Withdrew the furniture, that means take out the furniture from your office for personal use. That's why you take out the furniture will be affect to your assets here. Then furniture will be minus 1,650. Any effect to your liability? No, because it does not affect to your liability. That's why nothing here. The next one will affect to your equity because you take out the furniture from the office. That's why we affect to your owner equity there. That's why drawings for personal use it must be used the drawings here. Then the minus of 1,650. Alright, so far so good. Now come to the question number 3. You bought office equipment for 3,200 on credit. You bought the office equipment under the assets column here. Then on credit that means no make the payment immediately or now. They will make the payment at future, maybe installment. Okay, so now what we see from here is office equipment under the assets. That's why your assets will be increased. Office equipment increased 3,200. So any effect under your liabilities column? Yes, because on credit you will not make the payment now, you make the payment later. That's why we will increase your trade payable 3,200. but it would not affect your owner equity. Alright, then come to the question number 4. You bought furniture costing 26,500. 10% was made by check and the balance financed by a long-term loan. So here is considered two questions. Question number 1. You bought the furniture costing 26,500. Furniture under the access here. And you also at the same time you make the payment 10% from 26,500. So pay past tense, pay by what? By check. Check linked to your money. Money also under the assets. That's why you can see from here, furniture your add increase. Furniture increased 26,500. And then how about to your money? Cash and bank, your minus 2,600 because the 10% from 26,500. Now, any effect to your liability there? Yes, because you make a long-term loan. The balance, you will make the long-term loan. That's why your trade payable there still own there 23,850. But it will not affect to your owner equity column there. Alright, hope this few questions can make you improve and more understanding. Thank you. Here has some question to let you practice to improve your skill. Hope this question would help you to more improve your skill. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.